So Allah made it very clear. Sirat-e-Mustaqim is only the way that Allah showed from Adam alayhi salam till Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam. And after Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam, we have no Nabi, we have no Rasul. Surah Ahzab, Surah number 33, ayat number 40 is very clear. وَخَاتِمُ النَّبِيِّينَ. He is the last of the Nabi. And those people who argue, no, Allah didn't say last of the Rasul. He is last of the Nabi. So these people need to know basic Arabic language. If I say, this person is the last to study in 10th class, there is no 10th class after this. Then somebody comes and says 5 years later, he did his graduation. How can he do graduation without passing 10th class? 10th is the basic standard. You first need to pass 10th class to reach graduation or masters. When there is nothing called 10th class, how can he reach graduation and masters? So for anybody to become a Rasul, he has to first be a Nabi. So when Allah is saying Khatimun Nabiyyin, that department, that office of prophethood, Allah said, I have closed it.